Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be going over market review on all the major pairs like dollar, euro dollar, pound dollar. Might do a bit of stocks and bonds, so let's start it off. Alright, so if we're looking at news at the moment, Monday, bank holiday, Tuesday we've got 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time news for Euro and USD. Wednesday we've got 115 Euro, 130 Euro, 9 o'clock Euro, and well, not 9 o'clock, that'll be 2. Well, oh, these are all, no, these are in the morning, so this would be 5 hours behind. 3:30 in the morning, 4:30, and then yeah, US dollar at 9:45 and 9:35, and then there's a bit of pound for 1:15 p.m. Now Thursday we've got 1:30, 8:30 a.m. and that's the main thing, and a bit of 10 a.m. Friday we've also got 10 a.m. news, and then catch the one with 8:30. So ideally we're looking for moves Thursday, Wednesday and Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So today, if we expect a reversal, so let's go on the daily. We can go on higher time frame, to be honest, to show that was a remaining fair value gap which had not been filled yet, to cut this high, so expecting a certain amount of retracement, ideally into there, because it's broke that. Now it can go back into this balanced price range, optimum trade entry before looking to take out these highs. Why is that? Well, for dollar we see pretty much the same thing happening. Let's go on the monthly. You can see that's the monthly fair value gap. There is a 3-month which is double the size, but we're just refined it to the monthly, which is here. So now that it's went into there, we're predicting, does it want to reverse? Why? Well, if it reverses, it will come back to the balance price range that it created on the monthly. You can see this there, that's the balance price range. So we need to see, does it want to come back up for the rest of the month so that it can start working its way up to there. You can see optimum trade entry, area reversal in the light grey area, essentially come back up for the darker grey area, and then start to make its way lower for the blue area, if that's fully going down. So sometime around there, that's when we want to see the high made. This is the whole year, because this is a monthly, so we potentially might start to see a bit of movement up, ready for it to take it lower. So right now it's hit the 1 standard deviation of this, so change of order block down to the change of structure. That's the low where it breaks market structure. It goes to the 0.5 level, comes back up into optimum trade entry, reaches 1 standard deviation. So now we want to see it go back up to 0 before it makes its way to 2 or 2.5. essentially taking out these equal lows. So that is the current prediction. We can go into pound as well. So pound essentially it's likely going to slightly range in here. It's close to this level, it's ranging in this level. So if it creates equal highs here, comes lower, comes to this area, this is that valley gap. This seems the stronger of it is slightly weaker, but it may choose to range because dollar and euro looking a lot more in correlation than with pound dollar. If it does create equal highs here, it will look to come back lower. Give me 2 seconds. Back, had to run a quick errand real quick. So yeah, equal highs come lower into pretty sure there's a weekly that's been taken. So because it's already been here and efficiently moved price here, the only option I see when price for here decides to take out here is either respect the consequent encroachment of this wick or the order block here and then start to look to go higher. That's the furthest I see pound dollar going lower wise. But yeah, as you can see, it's created that order block to the change of structure because it broke this high here, went lower, past the 50%, reached 1%, got to allow for half in flout, came back to the 0 level and reached the 2. Now it's created that on the higher time frame. That's the one we're looking at for dollar and euro dollar. So yeah, that's why we are predicting bullish movement for dollar. We have to wait until a change in structure. So more likely the thing that's going to happen from here is if it breaks past this, closes above here, closes above the high over here, we may start to see come lower to here, then start moving higher and higher. As it's reached here, it's going to have no intention of just going into there and lower. So last week, after it dropped, initially on the Monday, it just ranged in there the whole of last week. I mean, it was Holy Week, so less volatility. There we go. But now we may potentially start to see bullish move. It started off the week gapping lower, moving lower, get everyone considering, oh, it's bearish, bearish, bearish. There's relatively equal highs here, relatively equal highs there, relatively equal highs there. So this may be the original consolidation, reaccumulation, reaccumulation, smart money reversal, manipulation, manipulation, and then distribution, and then redistribution, to then reach here. That's what we have right now. Let's check on these. So why do we think dollar is gonna go higher? Well, bonds and dollar move opposite in direction most of the time, and as you can see here, price has respected this and is looking to go lower, potentially taking this low out, reaching this liquidity void. That's on the higher time frame. On this one, it's less so, essentially taking the low out here. This one, same thing here, low out here, gonna go around there. However, it is delayed, so you can see how this whole week was bearish. If it does start respecting this fair value gap and looking higher, it's just the fact that the bonds are slightly delayed, so you can see this whole time it moved lower, it moved higher, it decided to move it back into a discount, ready for another set of buy-in for here. If that's the case, then we'll see that delayed effect in dollar soon, I believe, and once we start seeing that movement higher, we can capitalize on that until it reaches there, and then once it starts reaching there, we'll wait for another smart money reversal to then take it lower. So that's dollar, that's bonds. We did say we were going to look at a bit of stocks. So stocks at the moment, it went to that point of interest, right? So let me do this. That would be the thingy. Went to one standard deviation, went to 0. So now just waiting on price to see what it wants to do. Right now it's stuck here. It's more bearish than bullish at this moment. It's left this open, looking to go lower. We need to see on the daily where it wants to go to. There's no real PD arrays here, so it potentially may want to look to take these lows, just wick it, and then start to move to this. That's because you can see there's a full gap here, so it would want to visit there at some point, but yeah, we'll wait until that happens. ES done. Now Nasdaq, same thing here, Potentially going to go lower into here and then start to come back up here. Same thing, just wicking past it, coming back up. So that's currently what we have for all of them. We'll do a shorter time frame for euro now. So euro dollar. We need to see, does it want to start breaking lower? So if it starts to close below here, close below the consequent encroachment of this fair value gap, it might start that bullish, bearish move for euro dollar. If it does go there, we would expect come back up maximum to there, or the consequent encroachment of this wick, to then start looking to go lower, at least into the low of the Asian range. I mean, the Asian range was pretty big, so we're not expecting too big of a range for euro today. It is a holiday after all, but it's reached a point of interest, so we're just waiting to see what it wants to do from here. You can see the equal lows here are pretty clean, so it may want to look to come below there at some point. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the pairs. If you guys enjoyed, leave a like. If you want more of this, make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll be updated on whenever I go live, so you guys can hop on. If you guys have any suggestions on what other pairs to do, go for it. I'll see if I can do them. If I can, I'll show them in the next market review. So yeah, thank you for watching and peace out.